If you're interested in learning how to build with AI, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you my blueprint, which is 4 simple steps to help you build your own AI automation toolbox. You'll be able to automate tasks from content creation to customer engagement, data analytics, and more. Before I scare you off, the toolbox we're going to build is a combination of Slack and OpenAI. When you learn how to connect the two, you have an endless amount of possibilities to build AI assistants. They'll be able to help you write blogs, send emails, handle customer inquiries on your website, and so much more. And you're probably wondering why you should trust me. Well, because I've already built it myself. And I've even created a tutorial that walks you through it step by step. So this is the most practical AI automation video available, and it'll help you automate your own tasks or make money doing it for others. Let's jump in. First, I recommend learning how to have AI write code for you. It's honestly one of the best use cases today. You no longer need to be a great coder to write great code. All you need to do is learn the basics of a language like Python and then start asking AI to write your code for you. So no longer do you need to take extensive courses and master the language. You simply need to understand the basic concepts so that you can prompt AI to write the code for you. It's that easy. Next, I recommend learning how to connect OpenAI to Slack. You might be wondering why Slack and why OpenAI. Let me start with Slack. First and foremost, it's the perfect platform to interact with AI. Generally, when we're talking about AI nowadays, we're talking about a large language model. Thinking through ChatGPT, it's a chat experience, and so Slack provides that platform for you so you don't need to build your own. You can immediately start working with OpenAI or any other large language model and integrate it on Slack. They also have a free version, so you can do all of this for free, and they have a huge infrastructure around automation tasks and even integrating with bots, so it's super easy to get set up. The other part of this is OpenAI. I personally started with OpenAI because I felt they were always leading the pack. They're super versatile. They have their image creator coming out with their video creator. Their large language model is very powerful, and it's honestly super cheap to use. When you connect these two, you honestly have one of the most powerful tools without a lot of work, a lot of setup, and a lot of cost. So that's why I recommend using those two. The third step is learning how to put your bot in the cloud. All that means is you set up a cloud server. There are many different providers such as Amazon, Microsoft, but a very easy one to use that I recommend is Render. It's super beginner friendly and it handles all sorts of services. The second part of this is using GitHub. If you connect GitHub, which is essentially cloud storage for your code, and you connect that to a cloud server, you're able to have your bot always running and available. So instead of running it locally on your computer, as the instructions that OpenAI will guide you to do, you can actually very easily get it set up on a cloud server so you can use it at any time. Your employees, your colleagues, whatever it may be, can use your bot at any point in time. And the fourth and final step is learning how to customize it for you. You just need to figure out what you want to automate, and then from there, you can ask AI to write the code for you. As I mentioned, I even created a course that walks you through this step by step on how to get it set up, and on a weekly basis I'll be building AI assistants that you can replicate and even see some of the code for yourself. So head over to my website, join in the community if you'd like. You can even access one of my AI assistants to help you get set up, and I'll be thrilled to have you follow along, and I'll catch you in the next video.